Ever notice that one student who seems to ace everything effortlessly winning over everyone with their charm and looks, essentially becoming the shining star of the school? Well, it's time for your own transformation journey. Let's dive into phase 1, unlocking your potential. Some are blessed with good genetics from the start, while others may need a bit more nurturing to reach their full potential. However, regardless of where you start, the key to maximizing your appeal lies in self-care. It's about embracing simple yet effective habits that enhance your natural features. Eat well, prioritize sleep, take care of your skin and hair, and indulge in body care routines. Establish morning and night rituals that are easy to stick to, avoiding overly complex regimens that are destined to be abandoned. Remember, consistency is key. Next up, phase 2, sculpting your physique. That student with the enviable physique, they didn't get there by chance. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good and reaping the countless health benefits. Whether it's hitting the gym or engaging in sports activities, focus on the basics: clean eating, regular exercise, and quality sleep. These fundamentals alone can yield remarkable results over time. Moving on to phase 3, elevating your grades. That top student in class, luck has little to do with their success. It's all about the grind behind the scenes. To level up your grades, it's essential to master effective study techniques. Dive into the art of studying itself, discover what works best for you, and implement strategies that ensure information retention. Embrace deep work to enhance concentration and productivity, and don't shy away from practice. The more you engage with the material, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Now, let's explore phase 4, cultivating your personality. Developing an appealing personality goes beyond surface-level charm. It's about fostering genuine connections and being a captivating conversationalist. Learn to initiate and sustain meaningful conversations, showing sincere interest in others. Be authentic, letting your natural curiosity and humor shine through. Remember, listening is just as important as speaking, so strike a balance and let the interaction flow organically. Finally, phase 5, pursuing passions. To truly stand out, cultivate a diverse range of hobbies and skills. Whether it's mastering a new language, honing your culinary skills, or delving into entrepreneurship, pursue endeavors that ignite your passion. Not only will these pursuits enrich your life, but they'll also make you a more engaging and multifaceted individual. Remember, transformation takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, and the results will follow. So the next time someone attributes your success to luck or genetics, you'll know better. Oh, it's not about luck. It's about putting in the work and continuously striving to be the best version of yourself. I'm here to guide you on your journey to self-improvement. Together, let's make every step count.